Sir, what do you have on the Xbox?
You can just buy all of them, so you don't have to carry them around.
How much is all of them? Would you do a deal if I bought them all? Ma'am, how much are the Christmas houses?
I don't know what they're all going for, but these are all not terrible titles.
This
50 cents each on the
Okay. What is this? Bite me?
Skateboard.
Yeah.
Butterfinger.
Huh.
Brand new in the box, 40 bucks.
Is that like a promotional giveaway or?
I have no idea.
Huh. Never seen that
That
before.
was kind of neat.
Yeah, you don't see stuff. You don't see stuff like
Maybe
that.
a wall hanger too, baby.
Yeah, yeah. So Winnie the Pooh.
You're 5 each. Couple has
Oh yeah, I see
little
the
damage
in
to
the back.
those.
Okay.
That's why I'm just blowing away 5
Gotcha.
bucks.
Are they all of them damaged?
You could check these over. I think
That one's damaged too.
this just a little on top. I'm not sure on that one.
It's very common that a lot of them get damaged.
Yeah, I mean they're 50, 60 bucks a piece. If some a kid would play with them or something like that. You know?
Every time I find them in the wild, they're always damaged.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's cool. Baseball trivia game.
Yeah, I got 10 on that.
It's gotta be 80s.
Still sealed, which makes it nice. You know all the parts are there.
Yeah.
Was that 80s?
84.
84, yeah.
Look, Christmas stuff. Huh.
You got all them little bit over here too?
Yeah, no, I've got them.
What do you have in? Oh, I'm sorry.
Those are $10 a piece.
$10 a piece. Okay.
Yeah.
Years old, seems like it's never going to get there. When it gets there, that boat shit. Slow down there.
How much is the bag? Oh, 45. I didn't see it there. My bad.
Yeah, there's 3 vests, there's pins.
Okay.
I don't know how many patches.
Yeah.
Probably got to be at least 40.
Okay. I thought I found gold here when I picked up this whole bag of Pokemon cards. Unfortunately, they're all newer releases in here, so I just decided to pass on them and move on. Wow, how much have you in your cameras?
Anywhere from 5 to 20. Or you can just buy all of them, so you don't have to carry them around.
How much is all of them?
There are...
Have they been tested, not tested?
I think the little square ones I never used and don't know anything about them.
Okay.
These right here.
Yeah.
There's 3 of those.
Okay.
175 for all of them?
170. How many are there total?
Keep forgetting to count the little flashy things.
Maybe around 20. Just rough look at it.
Yeah, I want to say like 23.
23.
Somewhere in there, yeah.
As resellers, this is where we can get ourselves in trouble. This is a big bulk buy. She wanted me to take it all for $175. I don't know enough about these cameras, if they're working, not working. I decided to pass, but let me know in the comments down below. Did I mess up? Should I buy all these, or did I make the right decision leaving them behind? I had one of these as a lamp. They turned into a lamp.
Yes.
A lot of people do that.
They still got the glass in them, too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, because the old lady said, I went in the bar room and I started getting them out. And she's like, you really going to sell them? I said, yeah. Right. And you can. He'll wait for it, though. See, he'll wait for it. Put it on eBay and wait for somebody that got to have that marble and pay the price. Yeah, well, see, I don't know them either.
These are cool.
This summer was the worst summer out. I know.
So I'm selling a whole box.
$2.
And they were telling Derek,
So here we go. So it's a good piece. Sir, what do you have on the Xbox?
60 bucks for all.
4 of it. Keep an eye out for this Xbox 360 wireless adapter. It plugs in the back of the system. They usually go for about 15 to 20 bucks. If you guys do find them at yard sales, pick them up. It's just a good way to add extra value to your pickups. He wanted 60 bucks for everything here. I just decided to pass. I wasn't sure the system worked. How you doing? Doing great.
Those are 60s. They were put out to like souvenirs.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean?
I'm trying to figure out, it says Go Hornets Go, who the Hornets were.
Local banks or whatever put them out for high school teams.
Yeah, it's a drug
This
that's,
one's a
yeah.
Whirlpool.
I didn't know they did for the high school teams though.
Oh yeah,
They're interesting.
yeah, definitely.
What is that?
It's a Transformer watch.
Can I see it? Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah. I've actually never seen that.
Yeah. And it transforms out into a
Vintage Transformer watch. Robot watch. It says not actually Transformers. It just says robot on it. Yeah, it transforms though. But yeah, playing off the Transformers. At $20, I wasn't sure if it was going to work, so I decided to pass. I did a little research on these. They actually have them in multiple colors, and in working condition does sell about $40-50. So if you guys do see them out and about, I would pick them up.
Antique site, and when I put it on the antique site, all the Disney stuff sold.
Oh, that's all sold?
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm adding it up for it right now.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
I got pins and just crazy stuff.
Unfortunately, I was about 5 minutes late. I just missed out on this massive Disney pickup, a whole Ziploc bag full of pins and all this stuff sitting over here on the shelf. It would have been a great pickup. Unfortunately, that's how it happens sometimes. But this next pickup will make up for it.
I hope it evens out.
Oh. Simpsons.
Right.
Ma'am, how much are the Christmas houses?
It's $100 for the set of 3.
For the 3?
They are Hawthorne, 2007, and all 3 of them do have their COAs.
Okay. Are there any damage to any of them?
I'm sorry?
Is there any damage that you know of?
Not that I'm aware of. I've actually never taken them out of the box.
Okay. You just have these 3 only?
I do.
Can I take them out and take a look at them? I've had these in the past. But I know they're real fragile, the pieces. Would you consider 80 for the 3?
I would.
Okay, I'll do that. Good way to start off your day, right?
Right? Well, it's actually not my start.
Oh, okay.
I had a $20 sale a few minutes ago, so.
All right.
But $100 is a great way to start the day. You know?
Well, let me give you the money first. There you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yep. Actually, I think that might be okay. Hold on, let me see. Let me see what I have here. See if I can stick them in here. And then you can save yourself a bag. That made my day. I used to have this set myself.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I got rid of it when I moved.
Oh.
So. What do you have on this thing?
I got 5 on him.
5. Well, interesting piece. Well, hopefully you get a good deal.
We're already friends. If you want him for 3, I can.
For 3.
Yeah.
Wait, is this?
I don't know what that is, other than it's gorgeous.
That almost looks like Mickey Mouse from the.
That's what I thought when I looked at it.
But I don't think it is.
Sign
Yeah.
anywhere else on there that it would be.
It's carnival glass.
Honestly, when I just got it yesterday, and when I got it, I thought that looks like Mickey Mouse. Right?
Yeah, but then it has
But
a
there's
little
no-
has a little lip there thing there. Yeah.
Yeah, there's no indication
Yeah.
anywhere else.
15. Everything's wet. These Pirates of the Caribbean figures are actually from Disney Shanghai Resort. She wanted $50 a piece for them. I had no idea what these are valued at. I could not find any comps online when I looked. So if you guys know anything about these, please let me know in the comments down below. I find them very interesting, but at $50, it wasn't worth the risk picking them up.
I'll do 5 on that.
5.
Yep. So should be brand new sealed.
Minecraft. If they retaped it, it has everything.
Yeah, it's,
I'm positive.
I'd be surprised if it's. Do you think the bags inside are sealed?
I don't know. I didn't open it. I got it that way, and I just
because
I didn't even look at it real good.
They're cutting the sides, so that would be assuming that it's been opened.
Right. It's still $5.
Yeah.
It's still a big deal. And I'm sure it's got to be complete.
Flea market vendors are the best. He tells me it's brand new. I looked at the side, it definitely wasn't brand new. Then he said that he didn't even open it, but he's sure it's complete.
Yeah.
How much are the Nintendo games? How much are the Nintendo games?
5 each, except for the Mario 3 game, it's 10.
That one's 10. Okay. I saw the 50 on there, so I got scared there at first. $10, I'll grab that.
Dude, I think at 5, Dr. Mario.
I like to do that because now you're happy that it's only 10.
You tricked me. Saw me coming a mile away.
I don't know what they're all going for, but these are all not terrible titles.
Would you like a bag?
No. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Stay Puft? No, it's 84. Oh no, this is no. It's, you're right. 2000. What's up?
Yeah, we can bring more crap in.
Yeah, you're right. It's 2017.
Nice seeing you guys.
You too, buddy.
How much?
You, my friend.
How much? How much you have in your cars?
I don't know, like $15 a piece, man. I was just trying to get them out of here. They're rad. You know, you're welcome to open them up, do whatever you need. I got the boxes for those two inside. I just brought a couple so people could see them. You know, I think they're Danberries.
Yeah.
They all have their certificates with. You have to talk to the boss lady on the bar.
Oh, we're asking 100 on that bar.
Would you do a deal if I bought them all?
Yeah.
What are you thinking?
Even with this thing?
No, just the Danbury Mint ones. I think this is not.
Like I said, I got the 2 boxes for that.
Okay.
Let's see, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Are these both Danbury Mint too?
Yeah.
You got any sterling here, or is this all plate?
I don't know enough about it.
I do believe it's all plate.
6, 7,
Come on,
8.
guys. You've been doing this long enough. You know sterling.
$100 for all 10 of them?
All 10 of them?
And I got the boxes for those.
Oh, that one's busted.
Well, that's a good starting point, you know what I mean?
Yeah. No,
I got a box that'll fit them all in too.
Gotcha.
Me and my friend bought a whole, like a big thing of these things. And it was the original boxes, original shit. You can send this across and it's not going to get busted. You have a bunch of these lists, which you can find them all over the place. Wrapping that thing up and like you say, any little pieces are going to break. Wrapping that up and trying. So this was a part of my eBay, not my flea market stuff, but I've kind of I've had to. I don't have a single thing on eBay right now.
Oh, we have one.
Oh yeah, one Hulk Hogan signed picture. Yes. So a lot of the stuff that's out here is a lot of our staff. We have obviously we're buying a lot of stuff. So.
Yeah.
So, you know how he was just talking about eBay?
Yeah.
I went really hard on books for a really long time. Not a really long time, probably like 3-4 months.
I'm trying to look up comps in these books, but what do you hear this conversation in the background? It's hilarious.
Take that for $25. You know what that thing is, man. You know how expensive that piece is. I don't. You don't know what it is?
I can look it up. I don't know what it is. It looks like it's got the...
That's a Tony Dabtana, brother.
What is it, though?
Tony Dabtana. You know what a dab is? You don't need that thing then.
You live in this year?
I literally don't.
That's good, brother.
He's a straight edge. He don't know.
I think it's for...
Don't make me say what it is out loud, man.
It's a utensil for... You're always welcome to make an offer on stuff, guys. We're not...
Did you do 80 for the rest? It's 9?
Yeah, I do that because you didn't want this one.
Yeah. Okay.
That's, to be honest, I'm breaking exactly even.
I got you. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you want me to get you a box.
I got my container here. I appreciate the deal, man.
No.
You're just looking to move some stuff right now.
We're trying to get back into our normal lifestyle.
I get it, man.
And selling, and we haven't bought anything.
This is what I try to explain to people is, you know, I do this full time, and
yeah,
I've been through hurricanes, I've been through stuff like that, but I didn't, you know, you typical, like your house gets damaged, stuff like that. We're expecting that.
Yeah.
But I didn't expect the fallout where I can't go sourcing.
Exactly.
That's what I didn't prepare for.
We had to shut our whole eBay stuff down. Our local flea market shut down.
Pepper shaker.
Not that I thought that I was actually that crazy after that scan.
Yeah, how much is that?
$5.
That is
$5.
validating that
They go for a hell of a lot more than that online. They're brand new.
Yeah. That's a cool piece. What is this? Needs good repair. That's cool. I've never seen that before. Cannot stress this enough. One of my biggest bread and butter items is DVDs, CDs, media. People pass up all the time, especially at garage sales and flea markets. If you're willing to dig through, you can find some hidden gems. What you want to look for is weird box sets, Japanese animation. Like this box set right here sells anywhere from like 15 to like to 25 bucks. This Japanese animation DVD here, we'll get about 10 to 15 bucks for it, and we'll pay it $2 for this. Guys, do not pass it up. It's worth the dig. Billy Bass. The flea market is one of my favorite places to shop. You never know what you're going to find. Every time I go there, there's something different, different vendors. You meet some really cool people. That diecast buy I had for $80 is a great deal. If you guys ever see anything from Danbury Mint or Franklin Mint diecast cars, pick them up. They usually sell for me anywhere from like 30 to 50 bucks a piece. At 80 bucks, we'll make some good money on these. My favorite pick of the entire day was the Simpson Christmas houses. Now, if you guys don't know, they also did a Halloween set. If you guys ever come across them, they're from the early 2000s from Hawthorne. They can bring really good money, especially the good condition. There's also little figurines that go along those Christmas villages that do sell well too if you guys see them. I used to have this Christmas village in my own personal collection. I ended up selling it off because I was moving. I was afraid it was going to break. But I used to have the Simpsons house. They also have a nuclear power plant that glows green. If you guys ever come across either the Halloween sets or the Christmas sets, pick them up. They sell really well online. Do me a huge favor. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, like the video. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.